أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى الله تعالى على سيدنا محمد وبعد. I am going to tell you about a single verse of Surah Ash-Shura, which is the 42nd Surah of the Holy Quraan, and the verse is verse number 47. I will recite the Arabic verse and then tell its English translation. The verse is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. استجيبوا لربكم من قبل أن يأتي يوم لا مرد له من الله ما لكم من ملجأ يومئذ وما لكم من نكير. I repeat. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. استجيبوا لربكم من قبل أن يأتي يوم لا مرد له من الله ما لكم من ملجأ يومئذ وما لكم من نكير. صدق الله العظيم. The translation is: answer the call of your Lord, that is, accept the Islamic monotheism, O mankind and jinn. Before there comes from Allah a day which cannot be averted, that is the day of resurrection. You will have no refuge on that day, nor there will be for you any denying. That means you will not be able to deny your crimes, as they are all recorded in the book of your deeds. Again, you will not be able to protest against the punishment which will be given to you. On that day, you will have no place of refuge, and you will have to accept whatever is given to you. The punishment, the accounting, all those hard conditions you will have to accept, because you will have no power to deny it. Sadaqallahul Azim. This is very important ayah. Before death, you must know the Holy Quraan, because at the time of death, people will regret, because the truth will come. They will see the truth. The day of judgment is the truth. Our accounting and our life in the hereafter is a truth. And then it will be very, very hard to face all that situation if the person has not prepared in this life. Therefore, I chose this one ayah. This one verse is sufficient to make you guide yourself, as the day of resurrection is coming, and once it comes, no one will be able to avert it from you. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid.